Shakti Mudra. In honor of Shakti, the goddess of life energy. Place your ring fingers and little fingers together. The other fingers are loosely bent over your thumbs, which are placed in your palm. Focus on your breathing in the pelvic area, and slow down exhalation somewhat. Do as needed 3 times a day for 12 minutes. The Shakti Mudra intensifies the respiratory impulse in the lower chest area. You can increasingly perceive breathing in the pelvic area. It has a calming effect and will help you fall asleep at night. If it is done too often or held for too long, it may also lead to lethargy. It can bring pleasant relaxation to the pelvic area. As a result, it can counteract spasms in the intestines or even menstrual complaints.